Hi guys, it's Ian from Global Air Supplies. I've come down here to explain what an intake filter is and why you'd use an intake fan on an intake filter in a grow room. Basically, these intake filters are carbon impregnated fibre. As you can see, they're a lot different to a normal carbon filter, which is used for extraction. They're a lot thinner and they don't really restrict the smell coming in. You basically have the fan and filter combination blowing into the room. So as the air comes through the fan, through a filter, it disperses it into the room, bringing new fresh CO2 in and fresh oxygen into the room. Also helps to cool the room. If you want to be on a controller realistically, because you want to be able to control the intake and the outtake filter so that you don't get positive pressure, because positive pressure swells the grow room and pushes all the smells out. You actually want the smell to be going out of the filter, but this basically filters all the intake air so you don't get any bacteria, any spores, any spider mite, any dust. They come with a pre-filter. So as you put the pre-filter on, this will get dirty relatively quickly, probably about every 3 months. Take it off, wash it, replace it, put it back on. They don't restrict airflow like an outtake filter would, because they're a very thin bed and they're made of this fabric material which is impregnated with carbon. If you want to know any more information on this, give One Stop a call, look on the website. It's a great little product.